Did you know diasporically that the first person of African descent into space was Cuban? Arnaldo Tamayo Mendez of Cuba became the first Latin American, Caribbean, and the first person of African descent in space when he traveled aboard the Soviet Soyuz 38 spacecraft on September 18, 1980. The Cuban military officer, legislator, and former cosmonaut was born in Baracoa, Guantanamo Province, Cuba. Orphaned as an infant, he was adopted at age 1 by Rafael Tamayo and Esperanza Mendez. He began working at age 13 as a shoe shine and vegetable vendor, and later worked as a carpenter's assistant. During the 1959 Cuban Revolution, he joined the Association of Young Rebels, a group protesting the Batista regime, and later the Revolutionary Work Youth Brigades. He became an aviation technician and a fighter pilot. Certified as combat pilot at the age of 19, later that year, during the Cuban Missile Crisis, he flew 20 reconnaissance missions in defense of Cuba as part of the Playa Girón Brigade of the Cuban Revolutionary Guard. On September 18, 1980, Tamayo, along with Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Romanenko, launched into space. After 124 orbits of the Earth, almost 8 days, Tamayo and Romanenko made a risky landing as it was during the night. Upon his return to Earth, he was decorated with the Hero of the Republic of Cuba medal, the first person to be so honored.